Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video will be about dry scalp and the dandruff along with its remedies. So keep watching. Dry scalp and dandruff are two different things. Dry scalp is caused due to the lack of the natural oils that are secreted on our scalp, while on the other hand, dandruff is something that is caused due to the excess amount of oil secretion on our scalp. Dandruff can be also due to the fungal infections, also due to the side effects to some hair products you must have used, and on the other hand, dry scalp can be caused due to the winter season also. So yes, these two are the difference. So how will you spot the difference between the dry scalp and the dandruff? So the dry scalp has the flakes texture as white, while on the other hand the dandruff has a little yellow tint to it. Also, the dry scalp flakes are a little smaller in size as compared to the dandruff. So yes, this is how you spot the difference. I'll be showing you 5 home remedies and one that was suggested by my dermatologist, and let me tell you that that one should be used by you guys also after consulting a dermatologist. So curd can be used for maintaining the pH level of your hair. It is a great anti-inflammatory and antiseptic substance for your scalp. So it is great for fighting the dandruff and the dry scalp also. Let me tell you that you need to massage this on your scalp for 5 minutes and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Then you can rinse off your hair with SLS paraben-free shampoo. So second one is lemon. Again, anti-inflammatory and antiseptic in nature. I would recommend you to not use lemon juice directly on the scalp. Use it with at least 5 tablespoons of curd. So one full lemon with 5 to 7 tablespoons of curd would be perfect for scalp massage. Leave it for 30 minutes and rinse it off with the mild shampoo. So third one is baking soda. Make sure you take 2 tablespoons of baking soda and make a little thick paste of that thing and apply it on your scalp and massage it for 5 minutes at least and keep it for 20 minutes. Let me tell you that baking soda is very alkaline in nature and therefore can damage your hair on long run. So I would recommend that once you use a baking soda, rinse off your hair with some apple cider vinegar so that the pH level is maintained. So fourth one is the tea tree oil. So this is an essential oil and I would recommend that mix it up with olive oil or coconut oil, which can be also helpful for conditioning of your hair and fight the dandruff and dry scalp. And massage it for at least 10 minutes and keep it for 2-3 hours for it to be effective. Fifth is the apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antifungal properties in it. So I won't recommend it to directly be applied on your scalp. I would recommend to dilute it with coconut oil or olive oil again so that it can be a little light for your scalp to take it. Massage it for 5 minutes and then rinse it off after half an hour. So along with these products that are used for the treatment of the dandruff and dry scalp, you can also add some conditioning products like honey, vitamin E capsules or olive oil. These can be really helpful. Also you can use the fruit banana. So this was suggested by my dermatologist. It has ketoconazole content in it that helps us fight with dandruff and dry scalp. This is mainly for fighting the fungal infection that causes the dandruff, and I would recommend that you should get some suggestions from your dermatologist before using this. So make sure you do this procedure at least twice a week for a month or 2. Let me tell you that the time period may vary from person to person. So if you are having a great level of dandruff, make sure you at least try for 1.5 months or 2 months, and then only you should conclude for it. If you don't see any reduction, I would recommend go for a dermatologist before using any type of products on your hair, because that may lead to some damage and you don't want that. So yes, this was it. I hope you liked it. So if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So I'll be coming up with the next video very soon. Till then, bye bye.